Welcome to ITC, Invicon Training and Education Centre. In addition to innovative and high-quality system solutions, profound knowledge of the application of Invicon design and repair systems is a key success factor. The new Invicon Training and Education Centre is available to our customers and users for this purpose. Experienced trainers provide sound know-how and solid practical experience for the effective processing of StoneLux, StoneLux Tile, HyCeram, LuxArt and Luxon. State-of-the-art technology. Modern, fully equipped rooms offer the best conditions for a further comprehensive education program in the fields of stone repair, as well as in the processing of a variety of design materials for watches, jewellery and design pieces. Practical training courses make sense. With hands-on training, participants learn step by step about all the individual work steps rather quickly and in a way that is close to implementation. The theoretical foundation is provided by methodically prepared modern technologies. On-site training. In addition to training courses and workshops at the company site in Rankweil, Austria, the ITC also offers on-site training for all our clients. This allows the retrospective design or repair systems to be implemented rapidly and practically in the respective operating processes. Online support. We accompany and support our customers from the very beginning and often remain in a constant, long-term exchange of experience. On the pulse of time, we offer modern solutions, for example, with live streaming to communicate with our clients. Customer proximity through language competence. Our customers and users particularly appreciate it when this knowledge transfer takes place in their own language. In addition to German and English, we also offer workshops and training courses in Italian, French, Spanish and Greek. We at Invicon help you to develop your creativity and increase efficiency. Smart learning, simply with us. Your Invicon Training Centre, ITC.